Best deals.
1. Cast iron egg pan. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Special non-stick coating ensures easy food release. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chinese wok. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Sauce pan with streamer. Made from natural Maffan stone, ensuring toxin-free cooking with minimal oil, ideal for daily tea, pasta, and soup preparation, perfect for steaming vegetables, pasta, dumplings, or reheating food, offering versatile cooking options. Designed with a comfortable, cool touch wooden handle. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Square idli steamer. Comes with 3 square idli plates and 3 dokla plates that create perfectly steamed, visually distinct snacks. Add a creative twist to your regular meals with consistent, fluffy results every time. Designed for more than just idlis and dokla, easily steam momas, modals, mutia, and vegetables, or reheat rice and chapatis while preserving moisture and flavor, includes a sturdy 3-tier stand and a dedicated lifter. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Waffle maker. Modern, sleek look that fits perfectly in any kitchen setting. Perfectly sized for personal servings, kids' snacks. It has a dual-sided non-stick surface for cooking that heats quickly and is easy to clean. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dosa tawa. Made from thick, solid cast iron for superior strength and long-term durability. Crafted from heavy-gauge cast iron for unmatched strength and durability. Designed to handle everyday use for rotis, dosas, parathas, and more with ease and consistency, its durable and sturdy ensure longevity. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tadka pan. With a 5 cm deep body, this tadka pan is ideal for frying spices, dal, and more, offering versatile cooking options. The integrally formed body ensures durability and resistance to deformation, giving you a reliable cooking tool for years. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Anodized handy. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with hard anodized lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cast iron grill pan. Pan are the best when compared to other chemical-coated non-stick grill pans. They add iron to the food that makes food even healthier. They can last longer with proper seasoning and care. It's durable and sturdy ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cooker. The beautiful, durable black finish given by 60 microns thick hard anodizing. It makes the pressure cooker absorb heat faster, making it more energy efficient. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Kadai. Its improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. All in all, smart cookware for a smart kitchen, comes with an elegant lid which helps in cooking faster. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Toaster. Specially designed for gas stoves to ensure even heat distribution and consistent results. Get perfectly grilled, golden brown sandwiches every time. Crafted from premium grade aluminum. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Iron fry pan. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction, cooks faster, saves gas. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Saucepan. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, Scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cast iron kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Ideal for health-conscious cooks. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Egg boiler. This egg boiler can handle up to 7 eggs at a time, making it ideal for busy mornings or family meals. With its stainless steel body and advanced features, egg boiler ensures you get perfectly boiled eggs every time. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Sandwich maker. Features a non-stick grilling plate that opens to 90 degrees for easy access and can accommodate up to 2 large sandwiches at the same time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Idli plates. Made from premium stainless steel with a mirror finish for durability and aesthetic appeal, idli plates feature a non-stick surface for easy release and hassle-free cleaning. Includes sets for making large thatte idlis, mini idlis, and steaming vegetables, dokla, or momas. Compatible with both gas and induction stoves. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Roti maker. Made with stainless steel housing, so you don't need to worry about rusting. The electric roti maker features non-stick coated heating plates with a 10-inch diameter, making the process of roti and chapati making very easy. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric rice cooker. Transforming your kitchen into a culinary playground with innovative, user-friendly appliances designed for health-conscious home chefs. Enjoy delicious, nutritious meals effortlessly. The Smart Pot functions as a pressure cooker, sauté pot, slow cooker, rice cooker, soup maker, steamer, sous vide pot, yogurt maker, and food warmer, making it an essential all-in-one kitchen tool. Enjoy convenience and safety with the automatic pressure release button that seals the lid for pressure cooking and releases pressure with a single push. One-touch presets for your favorite meals. Just select your setting, add ingredients, and let the Smart Pot do the work. Cooking has never been this effortless. Built-in safety features. The Smart Pot 2 minimizes steam, noise, and odor during cooking, providing peace of mind while you prepare meals. From making soups and stews to preparing rice and yogurt, the Smart Pot offers diverse cooking options to satisfy various dietary needs and preferences. Product link is given in the 20th link.